So I've just gotten this one nearly done. It's gonna need a little bit more welding maybe in a few bits, because you can see some gaps now that it's ground down smooth. There's a few imperfections. There's a bit wavy and whatnot. I don't think it's a bad first try. But before I go any further in welding it and filling in holes and smoothing it out and this, that and the other, whatever's next, I'm gonna wait and get some advice and see what should I do next. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe as it is, it's fine. Maybe I'm being too picky. I don't know. I'm gonna get a bit of advice and continue on, and we'll go from there. Now onto the next side. For reference, So I just thought I'd quickly stop the video just to show you what I'm doing, so you're not just seeing a montage of just me quickly getting everything done and finished. With this I actually had a little bit of trouble lining it up. That was because, if you can remember, where I had to use a hacksaw blade to cut this panel off this fan in the first place. So I had to shape this panel to suit as best as I could, and as you can see is a little bit off, and I've had to try and line it up, and the position that it's in now is currently the best possible position that I could get. So, and I think it's fine. It seems to be lining up perfectly. All the lines feel perfectly flush, so I'm gonna go with that. And even here it seems to be lining up really well. So with all of that in mind, let's crack on. Right, so that's the end of episode 5. In this episode, we have got the panel all welded on, nice and solid. I've ground down the welds, but I want to go over the belt foil, go over with them with the belt foil. I'll do that in the next episode when I'm installing these two brackets. They have to be straightened out. They're all over the shop, so they have to be straightened out. And they got one goes here and one goes on this side the same. So that's what will be happening in the next episode, and depending on how that goes, when I have everything foiled and these put in and everything all nice and smooth and looking good, it'll be primered then, and I'll move on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.